Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to turn off auto update on iOS. First thing first, tap the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen, then scroll down and select General. Now tap Software Update, enter the General menu. Inside the Software Update section, tap Automatic Updates to open the update settings. Toggle off Install iOS updates to stop your iPhone from automatically installing updates overnight. If the switch is white, it's off. If the switch is green, it's on. You can stop automatic downloads too by turning off Install iOS updates only stops installation, not download. To completely prevent your iPhone from downloading updates, also toggle off Download iOS updates on to completely prevent your iPhone from downloading updates, also toggle off it. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.